Hey everyone, welcome back to Obscure Cola. Today we have a special edition McDonald's taste test. I have a special guest.
The Silver Spleen.
The Silver Spleen. We're going to try not one but two special Nicholas Tse signature collection McDonald's Hong Kong burgers. And since Nicholas Tse is a big-time movie star, I invited my friend, Hong Kong's #1 Guaylo movie review guy on YouTube.
I review Hong Kong, not Asian, movies, both new and old.
He's going to try the Bolognese fried egg Angus Burger.
Yeah.
Which, if you guys haven't seen, I did a review on. It's actually my most popular video by far. And then there's a new one, and this one is the crispy, what is it? What's the real proper name?
Crispy onion pork.
Crispy Pork Cutlet Burger.
With onions.
With onions.
Fried onions.
By Chef Nic.
Yes.
Okay. So we got that.
Yes.
We got also the Shake fries. There's two flavors now. What's the name of that one?
Grandpa forgot his glasses.
Grandpa forgot his glasses.
This is
Typhoon Shelter Spicy Crab.
Yeah, Typhoon Shelter Spicy Crab, which is not a euphemism.
I remember when back in Saigon I got Typhoon Shelter Spicy. Anyway, back in Nam, in the day. And I got, of course, the other one, which is the Siu Mai flavored seasoned by Chef Nic.
Yeah,
Shake fries.
When I think about French fries, I want them to taste like fish snacks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I actually tried this one. I did a video which I'll probably release sometime later, just a standalone for this because I missed it the first time. And I have tasted this. If you snort or if you at least sniff the packet directly, it tastes horrible. If you actually put on the fries, maybe not so bad. So I don't know about that one. We'll find out. Okay, so let's just do a quick taste test.
All right. Shove it in your mouth.
Yeah. So here's mine, the crispy pork cutlet with onions. This one, you haven't had this one before, right?
I don't think so.
Got my Angus beef, my taste of Hong Kong. 鋒味安格斯煎蛋肉醬飽.
I have to be honest, it doesn't look as nice as the picture.
It's not very well presented. It's kind of messy because of the Bolognese.
We start the Bolognese sauce.
But actually tastes pretty good. This one is a little bit less messy. What do we got? We got, I guess there's some kind of...
Didn't you get onions?
They're onions, crispy onions.
我中意試新嘢，一個洋葱兩種煮法，加埋塊吉列豬扒。
So maybe it's crispy onions.
They were crispy before they got drowned in mayonnaise.
Crispy onions with crispy pork cutlet smothered in some kind of sauce.
On a crispy bun.
On a not
with
so
crispy French
bun.
fries. I don't know.
I like that bun because it's the Angus Burger.
Okay.
Kind of high-end burger bun.
You can't have mine.
Well,
you can't have my buns.
I've actually had a couple times.
Eat your own buns.
My bun is not as nice, but that's not a euphemism.
Eat it.
Okay, so you go first.
Why me?
In case you die. Someone's got to close the video out. What do you think?
Sorry, I'm just saying that this is not quite... It's not knocking me over.
Well, anyway, while you were writing your thesis on this burger, I did taste my crispy pork cutlet with crispy onions.
就算係洋葱豬扒，都可以有全新口感。My taste of Hong Kong， 風味洋葱吉列豬扒飽。
Pork cutlet, not too bad. I think too much sauce for sure. You can see it's like waiting to drip out, but
Even that happens.
not too bad. Usually my videos aren't this raunchy. I mean, I swear, but I don't usually make sexual jokes too much. I don't make VD jokes this much.
I know the sloppy Joe off of one end.
Anyway, let's go to the next step, which is the shake fries. Chef Nic edition shake fries. So,
all right. I've never done this before.
Yeah, I'm not a big shake fries person.
This is my first time doing it, so it should be over in about 30 seconds.
At your age, that's pretty
true.
low. Anyway, So I'm not even going to dump my whole thing in there.
It's not a euphemism.
Oh, I just did. I'm sorry. So what I would suggest is open. Don't snort it. Don't waft it too directly, or you'll probably sneeze. But just get a whiff. So what's it? What color is it?
Orange.
Mine is like kind of yellow, bright yellow, kind of neon yellow. A little bit. You can see it from here.
It doesn't really have a very strong smell.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm sick, so I can't really smell anything right now. But anyway, let's try the shake part.
The full.
Wow, as much as you do, I wouldn't overdo it. Some people like it. Anyway, amazingly, actually these fries are pretty crappy today.
Mine's nice and stiff.
How's yours taste? Tastes like spicy crab?
I have no idea.
Does it taste spicy?
A little bit.
Does it taste like crab?
I guess.
Do you like spicy crab?
No.
Oh, okay, let me try one, just to try it. Because I'm sure there's no actual crab in this. Yeah, it is spicy. I can feel it on my lip.
Yeah.
But I can't really taste much beyond that because I just ate like 3 of these. And I'm congested. You want to try a Siu Mai?
May as well.
To me, it just tastes like kind of like barbecue, like barbecue potato chips or something.
Yeah, very, very, very familiar.
Yeah.
As opposed to this, which is different.
So this is definitely going to be my longest video on this channel by far, because I'm usually just tasting a can of soda. Also the first time I've had a guest star.
Cleanse the palate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But overall pretty good. So I'm going to give the crispy pork one a thumbs up.
Yeah.
What do you think? Thumbs up or thumbs up?
Yeah, I give this a thumbs up.
Yeah, I definitely gave that one a thumbs
It's
up
McDonald's.
too. And so hopefully this video is as popular as my last one.
Yeah.
500 views so
Sweet.
far, which is like almost 10 times, well, it's probably 100 times more than my average, and it's about 5 times more than my best. So, you know, by the time you guys see this, who knows, I might have as many as 60 subscribers.
You never know.
Yeah. So anyway, check out the Silver Spleen when you get a chance.
If I like a movie, you'll know it. Best thing I can say about this movie is it's really too good for me to be talking about it. If I dislike a movie, you'll really know it. This movie f***ing stinks.
We've actually done a bunch of videos together.
Yes.
Not about food, but about movies.
Movies, commentary.
Commentary stuff.
Hi, welcome to the Silver Spleen. My name is Dildo Wong.
My name is Plastic Wang.
And this is our review of Agent Mr. Chan.
So that's it for today. See you
Okay.
guys next time. We're actually going to go to a movie premiere right now.
Yes, because we're important like that, and you can tell because we're dressed for it.
Yeah, because it's going to be an awesome movie.
Oh, it's gonna be
It's
great.
a movie about a ghost fish.
Devil fish.
A talking demon fish
Yes.
from Taiwan.
And it's not a euphemism.
Tastes like tastes like fish, but it's demonic.
Exactly.
Attack of the poontang. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye.
Not 2, not 3, but 4, count them 4 special Heritage Edition bottles from Coca-Cola. So this is a